ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ke National Jal Jeevan Mission harengkat ke jing trailang bat katanat PHE Nongston kila penlong ye ke jing ai jing hikai ke bas saus ngi lenter la ka benta ki khot jong ka Village Water and Sanitation Committee halor ka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission ka balalong ha Circuit House han Nongston ye ke jing hikai hagani ka sngi la ai de ki breu na ka KRC Salt Lake Institute of Engineering and Management Limited na Kolkata ha ka bayade bat ka jing pentrai kam ye ka scheme badru kumno ban penne pensa ye ki telong ka Capital Building and Training Coordinator jong ka Jal Jeevan Mission West Khasi Hills District ka kong Mercy Wanyang kala yatho bagani ka day ka benta ka beningkong na ka jingai jingi kai bat ki don kumba sangut na man la ka way pa ka way ka shnong ki balawan banya shimbenta hagani ka jingai jingi kai.
Salt Lake Institute of Engineering Management. We are a company based from Kolkata, and we have been empaneled by the Ministry of Jal Shakti for the National Jal Jeevan Mission program, which is a first of its kind in India, and it's a government initiative, central government initiative, and we are proud enough to represent it ourselves in the state of Meghalaya. Currently, this program has started on the 11th of January 2022, and it's a 4-day program where we have invited all the village officials, and this will be mostly at the community level, and we have been empaneled as a level 3 KRC for the community level. This program entails about the awareness of water, conservation of water, and understanding the purity of water as well. So we are fortunate enough to represent again as a company in Meghalaya, and we thank all the officials, those who are involved in the state of Meghalaya. We expect that the program to make a great success here, and again, once again, a thank you from our company to all the state officials.
Ketika program kawadan mentah kini nila sedang menduk meningkas ni ka Kharwai Tarik pengikut yaki member jongka Village Water and Sanitation Committee jong kisnong repair ban ajing hikai shaphang kaneka JJM kabakentub yaki ba nado ba sedang jong kaneka scheme halaki jog jong kisnong na benta bangan yo gajing mentoy ban penpoi haman lagi killing ya ajing hikai yaki nado ubakan baking sumar yakin kitolong bagi penpoi hasnong hadu no ya ka operation and maintenance ro kumjo bakin tas yaki umru bakan ni ka WSC member bakan klan bha bakan penne ban maintain ya kaneka scheme nama hadian balada ya kaneka scheme kin ai bakan snong kan pet no ya ka baka department ke PHE department kan pet dari ka shong ka snong bakin shim responsibility kam ka sedang nadu menin kasngi ka Kharwai Tarik kan ne hadu khatsau tarik nama kadega saus ni training snong gi kentup ya snong ngi select bed sangut na ka snong te ka kentup shwan ngong ka dom shok son ka snong laudiba ka klangrin ka snong phut umba ka snong sawan thiang bat ka nong tenger nong renyang bat ka bersit kini snong ki balawan na jangai bha bat ki don ki basa ni hanong ston bat ki don ki balik phairu galong nya barok snong makani kadang dei tang ka first batch ingin sakot bat ya ka second batch ka third batch hadian